Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start at the init page, enter the flight number, departure and arrival ICAO codes, and select the correct departure runway. Once done, confirm IRS alignment is in progress and that the FMGC shows NAV status. Next, go to the perf page and enter weight data, ZFW, tow, and fuel on board, set cost index and assume temperatures. Make sure the MCDU acknowledges entries and shows no open warnings before moving to route insertion. You now switch to the RTE page and enter the flight plan, origin, destination, and en route waypoints or airways. Press insert to add each segment. Once the route is entered, go to the legs page and scan for discontinuities. If you see discont, insert the missing waypoint or scratch the incorrect leg. After resolving legs, select SID and star transitions where applicable and confirm VNAV constraints on altitude and speed. This ensures the FMGS computes vertical. You finish by activating the flight plan, press activate on the RTE page, and verify the active route matches the intended path on the main display. Then open takeoff/REF and enter flap selection, computed V1/VR/V2 speeds, and assume temperature or flex value. Make sure performance pages reflect the entered data. If the MCDU shows errors, recheck for discontinuities, incomplete waypoints, or IRS not aligned. If the FMGC is unresponsive, recycle the MCDU power and re-enter critical fields, then re-verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.